doing, buddy? Come on over.
I'm watching the Pit Boys right now.
Watching the Pit Boys.
That video must be better than our video.
Sure, bro.
So what are you going to be making today for us right now? I know we're cooking it.
We got our sausage on.
Yep.
We're getting that set up and grilled on the flat top. I got your typical, everybody knows what these are. Yep. We're just gonna slice these through, like I just did. We're gonna grill that up. We got eggs. We're gonna do the eggs and the cheese on the top and just throw it on there. And however the guys want it, we got our older style habanero chipotle. And basically just a quick little slider for breakfast.
Hey, I'm not complaining. Can't wait.
What the hell? Slasher's been here, what, since 7?
I know.
I mean,
We've been
no,
cooking those
6:15, working on his feature.
So you're trying to feed everyone. I get it. Yep. I appreciate that.
Yep.
All right.
Other MacGyver tricks and try to flip this. Whoops.
Got it. All right, perfect. Yeah. So how did you actually make the sausage itself? Like how did it?
Just took the venison, ground up, cubed it, ground it up, add a little pork shoulder to it, or moisture in it. There are a lot of people use bacon, mix stuff up. I don't do that stuff. Then a couple of Italian seasoning spices in there, and work that in just to add the extra kick to it. We went with the pork privilege, like you saw me mix it up with it, and put that in there with it.
Excellent. That's great.
Yeah.
So what do we got to eat?
That's our venison sausage.
Right.
Yep, just letting them
Looking
brown up, looking good.
too.
Hope you got your appetite on.
Oh yeah.
You know we got a little bit to go with the brisket, but
Yep. We're working on it.
yep.
Yeah, we're hungry.
Yep. So we'll get this going on it. As you can tell, folks, our tanks are getting a little frosted. 32 degrees and
It was 32 degrees.
don't worry about the shells, folks. It all goes to the same place. Come on. Even the eggs are a little frozen.
Wait, what? You said you have the pros on your armpits. You're just trying to calibrate right now.
Yeah, my left side is like 4 degrees off. Oh, my right side is 11.
Yeah, you might want to talk to your doctor. I'm not sure.
One little clue, folks. Outside grilling in this weather, make sure your eggs don't freeze.
Yeah.
I think that should be enough for the time being. Look at that big chunk out of there. Somebody's gonna get the prize. Why, this is heating up. Throw a couple of slices of cheese on top. A little cheddar. Make it better. Didn't mean to walk away. A little bit of Kobe Jack in there. All right, and pieces de resistance, a little bit of season, more seasoning. Okay, now, J-Dog, you want to come on over and see what I'm doing?
Yep.
Take my knife, break this down. You're going to see I already did one half. I'll slice this half, just like you're filleting a fish. Come on through. There, we got it. Take those, put that off to the side. Now, with the cold weather, we got shrinkage too, so. Almost a disaster. We'll do 1/2. Now we'll come back with our eggs. All right. All right. One little bit at a time. You just spread them out, let them go, and let them cook down. And we should be all set in a couple of minutes. Okay, we're almost ready to plate. Slasher, can I borrow you for a second? Grab that, the whole foil. All right, put it back over there, thank you. Yes, J-Dog, come on over. Just arrange this a little bit. Some of these don't want to cooperate, but we're good. Move that out of the way. And we'll let that cheese melt a little bit. Whoops. And we're good.
Awesome. Oh, fantastic.
We got background.
It's fine. Well, it's true because he's a horror buff.
Dude, this is not your conventional cooking brisket here. We don't screw around.
Yeah. All right. So yeah. Now it's like 4. No, it was the 6. It was 6 pounds. That's the 6 pounds. June time. We got a card. Right now, it's in this picture. It's 174. Wrap it. Put it back on.
This is excellent. Eggs.
Shake your tail, weather Martha. Let shimmy, shake and boogaloo. Shake your tail, weather Martha. Let shimmy, shake and boogaloo. Oh, don't walk away from me, 'cause I'm in love with you. Wanna get closer, Martha? Really wish I could, but I can't touch you, Martha, 'cause your finger's looking good. Hey, Martha, ooh, we be eating good tonight. Oh, my clothes are burning hot. You're looking out of sight.
All right, boys.
Egg sandwich.
This is just egg and cheese. And about you, young man, you want one?
Try one? Yeah, egg and cheese?
Got it. And I gotta feed the camera guy. All right.
Can't go wrong with that Hawaiian.
No.
Hold on. Double cheese.
You got the sausage, like everything that's in there, that flavor.
Then I got sausage behind me.
There you go. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, I know you do.
That's perfect. There we go.
Perfect breakfast. Perfect like
That's great.
There you go.
perfect snack. Good before.
Oh,
Now we have.
pit privilege, folks.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. All right. Then we're gonna try the sausage one in a second here. This is gonna be the chew.
Nope.
Mom, Mom.
Shake your tail, Feather Martha. Let's shimmy, shake and boogaloo. Shake your tail, Feather Martha. Let's shimmy, shake and boogaloo. Oh, don't walk away from me.
A little bit of a blowout, but we'll fix that.
I'm in love with you. Wanna get closer, Martha? Really wish I could, but
Come
I
on.
can't touch
Everybody
you,
else can
Martha,
dig in.
'cause your finger looking good. And Martha, ooh, we be eating good tonight.
They're going to be sloppy, but they're going to be good.
You're looking out of sight.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sausage, egg, cheese, venison sausage.
Oh. That venison is out of sight.
That was good.
Good job, Jake.
The pork peppers, good stuff. Venison sausage. Wonderful. Jacob's gotta have one of these.
You got it going on over here. All right.
Grab one of those with venison sausage in there.
Grab anyone.
It's been a long day so far. This is perfect. Early
How's
morning
that, Mr.
brisket,
Q?
but still going. This is what you call living life, man. Yeah. That's for sure. Oh, yeah. Hey, buddy. Hi. It's hi. Hi. Uh-oh, okay.
Watch the pit.
That video must be better than our video.
Oh, yeah.
I like that. I'm watching the Pit Boys.
Come over here. Yeah. How much of the Pit Boys over here?
Listen, you can sleep with the fishes, don't bother me. I love that accent.
I mean, right? There was
No,
no
no.
wind.
No, this morning was, it was okay. It was manageable. And just the wind started kicking in.
Oh, shit. I forgot the sauce.
All right, folks. We pulled out an oldie but goodie. Our habanero chipotle. We're gonna add a little heat to
Give
this.
it a little kick.
That's vintage. I got to try one of those.
Whoop. A little too much, but
Right.
Wanna get closer, Martha? Really wish I could, but I can't touch you, Martha, 'cause your finger looking good. Martha, ooh,
oh, there we go.
tonight.
Well, that's the right kind of heat.
Yep.
See, I always like the word against the hot one. That's it, Flasher. That's a wake-up call. Better than a cup of coffee right there, right? I think you're right.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
tell you. Oh, yeah, perfect.
All right. Great job, Jeff. Great job.
Perfect.